Castor oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for thousands of years for its therapeutic properties. In modern times, scientific research has begun to validate many of the traditional uses of castor oil, revealing a range of health benefits from improving skin health to reducing inflammation. In this video, we will talk about the 11 health benefits of this amazing oil. Just a quick disclaimer, remember the information provided is for educational purposes and should not substitute informed medical advice or care. Now, let's explore the benefits, starting with the first. Promoting wound healing. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that acts as a humectant to maintain moisture by preventing water loss through the outer layer of the skin. This property is crucial for wound healing, as a moist environment can help prevent sores from drying out and promote the healing process. A study published in the International Journal of Pharmaceutics demonstrated that a gel containing castor oil accelerated the healing of wounds in rats, suggesting a potential application for speeding up the human wound healing process as well. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ricinoleic acid also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, making castor oil a potential treatment for inflamed skin. A 2000 study published in Toxicology and Applied Pharmacology explored the anti-inflammatory effects of ricinoleic acid on human skin and found significant reductions in inflammation. This makes castor oil potentially beneficial for conditions such as psoriasis and eczema, although more research is needed to fully understand its effects. 3. Improves lymphatic flow. According to a study published in Alternative Therapies in Health and Medicine, castor oil packs applied to the abdomen were found to increase the flow of lymph, the fluid that circulates throughout the lymphatic system. Improved lymph flow can help detoxify the body, enhance immune function, and reduce swelling. While the exact mechanism is not fully understood, it is thought that ricinoleic acid may help to stimulate the lymphatic system. 4. Antimicrobial properties. Castor oil has demonstrated antimicrobial properties which can be attributed to its high content of ricinoleic acid. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that castor oil exhibited considerable antibacterial activity against several species, including Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. This suggests that castor oil could be a natural treatment for bacterial infections, although its effectiveness and safety for such purposes require further investigation. 5. Relieves constipation. One of the best-known uses of castor oil is as a natural laxative. It's classified as a stimulant laxative, meaning that it increases the movement of the muscles that push material through the intestines, helping clear the bowels. A review in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology highlighted the laxative properties of castor oil, noting its effectiveness and rapid action. However, it is recommended to use castor oil for constipation relief under medical supervision due to its potent effects and potential side effects. 6. Improves hair health. Castor oil is often touted for its ability to improve the health, strength, and luster of hair. The oil's ricinoleic acid content can help moisturize the scalp, enhance hair follicle health, and promote hair growth. While empirical evidence supports these claims, detailed scientific studies are needed to fully understand the mechanism by which castor oil affects hair health. 7. Natural moisturizer and skincare. Thanks to its fatty acid content, castor oil is a natural moisturizer that can hydrate skin and prevent dryness. Applying castor oil to the skin can create a protective barrier that retains moisture and keeps the skin soft and hydrated. Its use in treating dry skin and related conditions, such as dermatitis, has been noted, though more rigorous scientific evaluations are necessary to confirm these effects universally. 8. Arthritis pain relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it a candidate for relieving joint pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. Anecdotal evidence suggests that applying castor oil directly to the affected area can reduce pain and swelling. However, scientific research in this area is limited, and more studies are needed to validate these effects. 9. Boosts immune function. Preliminary research suggests that castor oil can also boost the immune system by increasing white blood cells and the production of lymphocytes in the body's blood. Lymphocytes are crucial for the body's defense mechanism against toxins and pathogens. A study in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine found that subjects who used castor oil packs had significant increases in lymphocyte production compared to controls. 10. Antifungal properties. Castor oil has shown potential in treating fungal diseases. It contains undecylenic acid, which is a substance known to possess antifungal properties. This makes castor oil a possible natural treatment for conditions such as candidiasis, though more research is needed to confirm its efficacy and safety for such uses. 11. Soothe sunburn. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can help soothe sunburned skin. Applying castor oil to sunburned areas may reduce inflammation and pain, promote healing, and prevent peeling. However, it's essential to use it cautiously and in combination with other sunburn remedies to ensure the best care for damaged skin. Castor oil's potential health benefits are vast and varied, from enhancing hair and skin health to providing relief from arthritis and boosting immune function. While anecdotal evidence and preliminary research support many of these benefits, more comprehensive scientific studies are needed to fully understand how castor oil works and to establish guidelines for its safe and effective use. As always, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into any health regimen, especially for those with underlying health conditions or who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Well, friends, that is it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content.